In this video, let's see how to create class email reminders. Click on the Classes option in the navigation bar. Select the program on the left side. Click on the class or the arrow on the far right to open the class. Click on the pencil icon of the class, then scroll down to the bottom to the Email Reminder section. Select No Reminder to set up the email reminder. Choose 1 hour before to set a reminder for 1 hour before the class. Choose 2 hours before to set a reminder for 2 hours before the class. The other options include 1 day before the class and 5 days before the class. Check the box labeled Only for First Class if you want the reminder sent out for only the first class. This is helpful if you have one class that meets multiple times. If you want to add a custom message, select the option Add Custom Message to Email to open up a rich text box. Here you can either type in your message or copy and paste text. You can format any headings by highlighting them and choosing the heading under paragraph. Do the same for any other headings. You can add other types of formatting, including italics, underlining, colors, etc. To add an image, click on the image icon. Go to where your image is saved. The image has to be hosted somewhere like a website or a free image hosting site. Click on the photo to view it in full screen mode. Right-click on the image and click Copy Image Address. Paste the image address under Source in the image settings. If the size does not show up, the source is not correct, and you may need to try another hosting site for the image. Enter the width and height numbers in the image settings. Click Save to apply the new image dimensions. Select the Save button at the bottom to save the changes to the class.